second bracket 4 minus 2. Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic, simplification of fraction. Any kinds of fraction, once we simplify, we have to follow order of law. Order of law. We know about two law. One is BIDMAS, another one is PEMDAS. Actually, basic theme are same, where we have to first finish brackets work, then either exponent or other things, then left to right division or multiplication, and finally addition and subtraction. So here we are seeing this math has three parentheses: first bracket, second bracket and third bracket. Now let's start how quick we can solve these kinds of simplification. We know we have to finish first bracket work. So here is everything will be unchanged, like this minus 1 by 4, second bracket 4 minus 2 by 5, and inside first bracket here is 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. So we can make LCM. 2 and 6, LCM is 6. So 6 times 4 it will be 24, minus 6 divided to 3, 6 divided 6 it will be 1, right? Then this one and this one till we are in first bracket. So 3 by 5, third bracket start 4 minus 1 by 4, second bracket start 4 minus 2 divide 5, and here look, minus 3 and minus 1 it will be minus 4. So 24 minus 4 it will be 20, divide 6. First bracket work done. Once it has done, we should use a multiplication sign in here instead of bracket. So now we are in second bracket. Okay, now look, 3 divide 5, third bracket 4 minus 1 by 4. Inside second bracket we have to work first multiplication, right? So 20 times 5, 20 divide 5 it will be 4, right? Once we divide by 2, here is 2 and here is 3. Okay, so here 4 minus 4 by 3. Okay, and we can close second bracket. Again 3 divide 5, here is 4 minus 1 by 4, second bracket start, again LCM 3, here is 12 minus 4, second bracket close, third bracket close. Now 3 divide 5, third bracket 4 minus 1 by 4 times, because we will omit this bracket, so 12 minus 4 it will be 8, divide 3, and here is third bracket 3 by 5. Now 8 divide 4 it will be 2, so 4 minus 2 by 3. Okay, now 3 divide 5, 4, so LCM is 4, 4 times 3 it will be 12 minus 2. Okay, then 3 by 5 times 12 minus 2 it will be 10, divide 3, 3 and 3 out, 10 divide 5 it will be 2. So our required answer is 2. Look, long math it will come only 2. Okay, so this is very important. Any kinds of competitive examination, especially high school level, simplification of fraction is very important part. So hope you cleared this one. Till you have any question, please write a line in the comments box. One more thing, my channel will go for membership. If anybody want, can become family of Home of Math. But every subscriber, any kinds of audience, I should salute, because you are the best person from me who inspire my math channel. Thank you. Don't forget subscribe my channel.